Sludge is the product of the municipal wastewater purification process. It has a high moisture content, is perishable, and has a foul odor, contains a large number of parasitic eggs, and pathogenic microorganisms. It used to be just solid waste, dispose of with minimal handling. Large amounts of untreated sludge. It's not just a waste of resources. It also causes secondary pollution to the environment. The current main domestic sludge treatment and disposal processes, including sanitary landfill dry incineration, anaerobic fermentation, and aerobic composting. High-temperature aerobic composting. It's actually a microbial fermentation process. In the process, sludge organic materials under the decomposition of microorganisms into carbon dioxide and small molecules of organic compounds. Organic matter releases heat at the same time. So much heat, it was over 55 degrees and lasts for more than 7 days. This pair of organic materials, such as sludge, contains pathogens and weeds. Seeds have a killing effect. Realize the harmlessness and stabilization of sludge. Fermented and decomposed product. It's rich in organic matter. Organic nutrient soil of nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and beneficial microorganisms. Can be used for landscaping, soil remediation, etc. Ultimately, organic products such as sludge are realized. Resource utilization of solid waste. Due to the good composting technology model, in line with the development requirements of circular economy. Therefore, it is considered to be one of the most promising. The most economical sludge treatment and disposal technology. There are 3 aerobic composting technologies, like windrow, trough type, and enclosed reactor composting. Closed composting reactor process has a short fermentation cycle, good processing effect, small footprint, friendly environment, etc. It is one of the mainstream directions for the development of aerobic composting technology. Closed composting reactor, barrel reactor by feed system, hydraulic drive system, ventilation system, discharge system, exhaust and deodorization system, instrumentation. The electronic control system consists of 9 major parts. Fresh sludge according to moisture content and calorific value. You can choose not to add or add a small amount of auxiliary and inoculants. Put into the silo reactor from the feed system. The sludge is agitated by the stirring blades of the drive mechanism. A state of continuous agitation is formed in the barrel, aeration and heat recovery device of simultaneous equipment. Provide dry and hot air for blasting blades. Create a uniform space of hot air on the back of the blade. Full contact with materials. Oxygen supply, heat transfer, dehumidification, ventilation system. Pass air through the pile from the bottom of the barrel. Collect and treat in the upper part of the barrel. The temperature in the tank can reach 65–75 degrees during exhaust gas fermentation, guaranteed to kill all kinds of pathogens and weeds, seeds, etc. The moisture content of the fermented material is reduced to less than 40%, so as to produce safe and stable organic nutrient soil. The reactor is a closed unit. After the odor is collected through the pipe at the top, washing by water spray and deodorizing treatment meet the standard discharge. It makes efficient use of heat. Fermentation cycle 7–15 days, compared to 30–60 days for traditional composting. Increased efficiency by more than 50%. The reactor is controlled by an integrated intelligent system. It's very automated, even if multiple reactors are running simultaneously. It only takes 1 technician to do it. Save labor, compared with traditional strip composting and trough composting. Can reduce floor space by more than 50%, and you don't have to build a separate factory. Significant savings in civil construction investment. The installation time of 4 single devices only takes 5–7 days. Short construction period. Should be concentrated exhaust. Deodorization treatment is more convenient and efficient. No secondary pollution. The technology and its equipment have been around since the 1940s. So far in Japan and Southeast Asia, successfully installed over 3,000 units. Beijing VOTO imported this technology from Japan, and through the National Science and Technology Support Program, China-EU International Cooperation Project, integrated demonstration research on other topics. Currently in Xi'an, Guangzhou, and Beijing, municipal sludge in Shanghai and other places. Kitchen waste breeding manure field, successfully used more than 30 units. Its technical advantages are obvious. The equipment is mature and stable. Reviewed by experts. Unanimous. The technology has reached the international leading level. To solve the problem of Shahu in Wuhan, sewage treatment plant sludge treatment. Deal with the problem. Wuhan Drainage Company, United Beijing VOTO, and its subsidiaries. Wuhan VOTO Hangtong Environmental Engineering Co., Ltd., introduced this technology and equipment. The project has officially started construction since the beginning of September 2017. Commissioning completed at the end of September and running normally. Treat 5 tons of sludge with 80% moisture content per day. If treated after dehydration and drying, the sludge treatment capacity with a moisture content of about 60% can reach 10 tons. The tank temperature can reach 70 degrees during daily fermentation. After 10 days of fermentation, the moisture content of the product is about 35%. Organic matter content is approximately 30%. Total nutrients nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are about 3%. All reach the sludge disposal of the National Urban Sewage Treatment Plant. Clay for landscaping. GBT 23486-2009 standard requirements. Can be used for landscaping. Closed composting reactor sludge treatment technology truly realizes the in situ harmlessness of sludge. Reduction and resource utilization.